Okay,
When should I start?
right now.
Okay. Hello, people. I am the driver of the Marquette 1225. I'm here with Michael. Hi, Michael. Do
Hey,
you want to have an interview with me?
yeah,
But first, I'll let you do the honors of the whistle. Just go right into the cab. Just watch your step because it's a bit of a jump to get on the cab. Okay. Okay, now hop out. I'll give him oh, it's hard for me to do it for some reason. Anyway, I'll show them the bell. Go to the front of the cab, please. The engine, excuse me. I'll show them the light. Is it on?
yeah.
Okay. Look. Oh yeah, look. SOS. Okay, stop the bell. Now, go to the left side where the whistle is.
Okay, I'm there.
Okay, I'm here. Yo, down here! So, unfortunately, the engine is not running right now because we're doing a bit of repairs on it, but at least it still works. And as you can see, and anybody, can you take a guess of where this train looks familiar from? Give you a hint from 2004.
Polar
Yes,
Express.
yes, indeed. Give me a moment. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, so yeah, this was from the Polar Express. This is the Polar Express's real life basis. Now, in case you didn't know, we used this. They used this train as the engine for the film, with permission, of course. For been what they did was they changed the tender to say Polar Express, and they took the numbers off and off that thing up above. Although they put the whistle in the different spot, which was up above on facing upward. And the whistle wasn't used from our train. Now we it was anyway, but yeah, take a look at this. Right here is where the cylinder cock, which makes the steam. But whenever we move, it will blow big gushes of big puff blows of steam, and it'll mean that we're moving. Now right here is our piston rods. This is a 284 Berkshire steam locomotive, built in 1941 by the Lima Locomotive Works, and was made on December 6th, 1941. And do you know what happened after that day?
Oh,
Pearl Harbor.
hmm.
Yeah, the train was built out of character, but the train was built the day right before Pearl Harbor happened, which is surprising for people, which was crazy because Pearl Harbor was, of course, the train was made on December 6th, 1941. Pearl Harbor took place on December 7th, 1941. So that's surprising. But this train is still in service to this day. Now over here is the cab. The cab is where we usually operate the train. He's already shown you the cab, so you know what it looks like. Back here is our tender, where we carry water and coal. If you scroll up and over the if you scroll up, please, you'll see the coal in the tender. we stock up on pretty much a lot of coal before we do our runs. And that's where we put our coal into the firebox. Anyway, up front, as if you probably already saw, is our bell and our three and our four, like, yeah, what is it? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number boards. On the side up here is the brand company that we built it with. I'll show you an example. Hop on up here. Right here. This little diamond shape. Show them right there. You're over here in front of it. Oof. Excuse me. That's our Lima Locomotive Works thing. This is our Lima Locomotive Work thing. And right here is the whistle. Right here. This
It
little
was
thing.
October 1941.
Wait, what? Are you
The
sure?
plaque says, what's
Wait
that
a
say?
minute. Let me look that up. Hang on. What? It says that it was built. Hold on. It says that it was built. Says it was built. It says October 1941, according to the engine builder's plate, which was probably not even. I don't know if it was actually true, but it was built in 1941 by the Lima Locomotive Works. This is weird. I thought it was on the. Oh yeah, it says here the build was complete on December 6th, 1941. Okay, so. Oh, hey buddy. Rip. Oh, nice. Thanks. Okay. Anyway, now as I was saying, it was built on December. It was finished in December 6th, 1941. The building of it was completed that day. It was built around. It was started. It was being built around 19 October, but it was finished. It was all finished in December 6th of 1941. Now I understand. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, so we can just end it here.